Look at this beautiful tiny garden, where every little leaf and petal tells a story of wonder and growth just waiting for you to discover it.
Why did the gardener plant a light bulb in the dirt? Because he wanted to see a power plant grow in his beautiful flower garden.
Why did the flower go to school?
Because it wanted to be a blooming genius and learn how to grow into a beautiful garden. Why do scientists not trust atoms?
Because they make up everything.
Nature has a wonderful way of reminding us to slow down and appreciate the simple beauty that unfolds when we take a moment to watch it grow.
Why do gardeners always have so many problems?
Because they are always dealing with deep-rooted issues and a whole lot of dirt.
Why are frogs so happy?
Because they eat whatever bugs them.
I have heard that gold is a great conductor of electricity, but I never knew it was so good at hiding in plain sight like this.
Why do fish live in salt water? Because pepper makes them sneeze.
Why did the little boat get such good grades in school?
Because it was very good at staying afloat during all of its tests.